Hi guys, welcome to another video. Like I redrew it. It looks exactly the same. It is the same. I just made it look like she was crying. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, and if Aphmau or someone from Aphmau's channel sees this, please show her. But this is supposed to be updates. Yep. Let me just try to plop something in front of Aphmau's face. Wait. And I did it. Updates. I finally edited something into it. I'm so happy. Go me. Okay. So updates about Sing Like You. Sing Like You. Episode 4. Let me try to edit that on right now. Boom! Okay, I'm getting kind of good at editing now. Kind of. So, updates about Sing Like You. So happy. I'm just gonna move it right here. I can move it for some reason. Okay, how to breathe. Hello. My God, I can hardly talk anymore. Okay, let me finish. Okay. So, Sing Like You. Episode 4. Let me try to edit that on. Okay. I'm like, yes, all day. Okay, wait. There you go. Episode 4 of Sing Like You was cancelled. Thanks to the new improved Sing Like You. Season 2. What? Yep, Season 2. It's coming out very, very soon. It's because a lot of reasons. Because I'm gonna move after 5th grade. I think. So all my friends in real life, I don't know if I'm actually moving when I'm in 6th grade. Season 2. I'm going to have a kid in Season 2. Let me just teleport a word onto the screen. A girl! I will have a little girl in Season 2. Let me teleport. Well, her name's going to be... Her name could be Alex or Zero. It's pronounced Zero, even if it's an I, guys, okay? And I want y'all to vote. 1 is for Alex. 1 for Alex or 2 for Zero. I spelled that wrong. Let me re-edit that. 2 for Zero. My editing program sucks, but I use it anyways. Okay, let's get this piece of junk out of here. Yep, it's now gone. Whatever. Zero or Alex, like I said earlier. And it will be a girl. If you guys have any other name suggestions, please comment down below. And I would love to do a Q&A so you guys can know about me before I actually do move. Thanks so much. And there will be a new animation coming out. And there'll also be a redo of last animation. Let me just edit something in right now.